The Ferrari Purosangue is the first ever four-door, four-seater car in Ferrari's history. The Purosangue rides on 22-inch rims up front and 23-inch whoppers at the rear, clothed in notably low-profile tires. The engine sends some drive to the front wheels via a miniature transmission on the front axle, and sends the rest down to the back axle via a rear-mounted gearbox. In this case, it's an 8-speed dual-clutch system. It will be available with only one powertrain, a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine that revs to 8,250 RPM. Its power output of 715 horsepower and 528 pound-feet of torque. Ferrari says the definitely not an SUV can hit 62 miles per hour from rest in 3.3 seconds, scorch from 0 to 124 miles per hour in just 10.6 seconds and top out beyond 192 miles per hour. Performance-wise, it's a supercar. Local pricing will be released closer to the market launch, but in Ferrari's home market, prices will start at €390,000.